In the previous sailing Doodles, Maverick fell ill, so we put him on an airplane and evacuated him out of the Bahamas back to the United States for treatment. Unfortunately, it was not the prognosis we were looking for.
And he has cancer.
This season of Sailing Doodles features Taylor and Bobby as we set sail for the Caribbean with our two Labradoodles, Maverick and Goose.
In this episode, with Bobby at home, the girls got to have a little bit of fun, only until we got to hear the bad news. It was up to us to get some work done and hold down the fort for Bobby. And of course, we had a little bit of fun too. So I had to run back to the plane because Bobby almost forgot to give me the keys to the rental car. That would have been pretty bad if he flew away with that. It's been a sad day because the boys are gone, but now it's the Three Stooges. And he's left us with the rental car.
Yes.
So 3 girls on a boat with a rental car, and we're gonna hit Georgetown.
We only just managed to keep the rental car because Bobby nearly flew away with the keys to the rental car.
Yeah.
But Taylor did a sprint to the plane to get the keys.
So we're gonna head on our way, get some food, and pick up a few things.
Yes.
You ready for some adventure?
It was really nice to be able to have some girl time and let loose on the drive over. We stopped for some food and drinks at Island Boy Cafe in Georgetown.
Maverick. Okay.
Maverick.
Again, let's do it
May
again.
he be in good health.
Yes. That was a strong
We
one.
miss you, Bobby.
It's not fun without you.
So, excuse my face. We just found out the news about Maverick. So Bobby flew out this morning with the boys, and the really awesome patron Kurt took him out and flew him to Fort Lauderdale. And he got to the vet around 3 o'clock today, and then I FaceTimed Bobby. I talked to him just a little while ago, and yeah, it's not good. So Maverick's got cancer, and Bobby's driving him back home to Dallas, which is really good. He'll get to be with his grandparents, which are, you know, his favorite people in the world.
It's really sad.
Yeah.
It's devastating.
Yeah. You know, and it's so hard because it was so sudden he was fine. Like 5 days ago, he was his happy self, and then, you know, he started coughing, but he was still really energetic even though he was coughing. And then the last 2 days, it's just really hit him hard, and he's had no energy, not even eating, not even wanting to go for a walk, which is just so unlike him.
You don't even want treats.
Yeah, like.
It was so weird coming back to the boat today. The 3 of us went out after Bobby left, and we just fully expect the dogs to be here. They
Like we went to go step up on the boat. We were like, "Hey boys," and then we're like, "Wait,
they're not here.
They're not here."
It's not going to be the same.
No, it's not. Yeah, it's not gonna be the same for a long time, and I feel really, really bad for Bobby, for him to have to go through this right now, and so
I'm so glad I'm here right now.
I'm really glad that you guys are here. I wouldn't be able to do this alone. I'd be like freaking bawling my eyes out alone. So for right now, Bobby's gonna be staying there with him for as long as he's comfortable.
I mean, there's so much more that they need to figure out, like the extent of it, what
they have to do further tests
yeah.
for sure, which
Yeah.
he's gonna do once he's back in Dallas.
Yeah.
And we just hope for the best.
Yeah, we're just kind of hoping for the best. We're staying here, and we're gonna have to keep things on the run and keep things going for Bobby, and do the best that we can. And yeah, thank you guys for all your support, and you know, you're the ones who have supported them all along, you know.
And the reason he was able to get the dog so quickly, to
Exactly.
get Maverick so quickly.
So your support really
US.
means the world to to all of us and to Bobby and especially to the dogs too. Good morning or good afternoon. Today's just going to be kind of a work day. I'm doing some editing. I'm editing a boat tour for Bobby. We're going to have to do some sewing. Maybe do a little bit of work on the teak and try and kind of help Bobby out and get a little bit of these odd jobs done while he's gone. And then maybe head to the beach for a little bit.
The fabric is so, yeah, that's exactly what we're trying not to do. Are you okay? So we're using spoons to try and push the back of the needle through the fabric because we have to press so hard, and if we don't have something like a metal, something like the spoon, then we'll just puncture our fingers like I think Taylor just did.
So while Josephine's kind of finishing up the sewing over here, me and Tara are going to start by sanding the outside rails of the teak, and then we're going to move on to doing the varnish. It's just the top coat, so we don't have to worry too much, but that's something Bobby wanted to do, so we're going to get that done for him.
Taylor has already warned me to make sure I do not let any of my hair touch the resin or my little straps touch the resin because it will never come out.
Yeah. With the two of us working on it together, the sanding went very quickly. Josephine is the sewing queen. She actually went to school for fashion, so we let her tackle all the sewing. We were moving right along and got the first coat of varnish done in no time.
Having a good squat comes in handy.
Yeah. Look at that teak. Looking good. What time is it, ladies?
Beach time.
Yeah.
All right.
Hey, mermaid.
Hey, what does it say? Mermaid! This time of day is my absolute favorite time of day on the boat, except maybe sunrise. That's actually probably the favorite. But when the sun is just about to go down and the light is just that magical light, and you can hear the water and you can see the other boats, and my favorite spot is to just be right here, reading my book and looking out on the water. What's for dinner?
It's still a surprise. I can't tell you.
So we actually do eat on the boat a lot of the time. It's definitely a lot cheaper. It means that we can actually eat what we want to eat. And it's kind of fun in the evenings to have a bit of chill out and eat here on the boat. And Taylor is an amazing cook. I am an amazing dishwasher and a terrible cook. And she hasn't told us what she's making us yet. So we're in for a treat.
I'm gonna murder him.
Hello, Taylor.
Hello. I just thought I guess I better put this away.
Oh, now we know where the machete is kept.
With me.
That's right. What drink are you making?
I don't know. I really actually don't know. I'm gonna try and get creative here.
What are you doing? What is Taylor doing?
I am very innocent.
All right, so just in memory of the last time at Senor Frog's, it's body shot round 2. And yes, I'm doing a shot out of a champagne glass. We don't
classy.
We don't have anything else, so whatever.
Okay.
All right. Oh, that's a good amount of salt. Salty. All right. Cheers.
Woo! Woohoo! Best way to do a shot.
I can't see.
Ah! The stink bug! There.
It's a bug, Taylor.
No!
What are you doing? Oh, that's great. So after a long, hard day, there's nothing like some good face masks.
I brought these with me as a little treat for us. Mine's pumpkin. Yours is pumpkin.
Mine's pumpkin.
Yours is lemon, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah.
How sexy do we look?
Yeah. Who needs makeup when you just go out like this?
Aren't we perfect? We hope you guys enjoyed this video, and as always, a huge thank you to our patrons for making this channel possible.